In this video,
we will learn how to install menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5. So firstly, we will need to open up any of our browser and type in menyoo mod at the search panel. From here, we will type on the menyoo 2.0 search that pops up. From here, we will download the latest version of menyoo 2.0 mod, which is for both the enhanced and legacy version. As I'm using the enhanced version, I'll download the latest version. After this file has been downloaded, we'll need to head into the browser yet again to download Script Hook V, which is a necessary element for the scripting mode. Now click on the first link, then click on download. After both of these downloads are done, we'll just extract them into the GTA 5 install directory, as simple as it is. Now from Script Hook V, we will go into the bins folder. From here, just copy the DLL files into the GTA 5 install directory. After that, we'll go into the menyoo mod file. From here, copy the menyoo ASI and menyoo stub file, then paste them in the GTA 5 install directory. After installing the menyoo mods by copying the file in their respected directory, you can access the menyoo mod in-game by pressing the F8 button. After that, you can navigate the menyoo mod menu by using your arrow key, which will select any of these options that you are looking for. There are various options to choose from in here, like if you go into the player options, in here you can change your basic stats. So currently I am Franklin, and if I change my cash and press escape, you will see that my cash has been changed to the respected number that I have inputted. There are various other options in here as well, like model changer, so I can change my model to anything I want. Wardrobe, so by using it I can change my clothing to anything I want. I can see different animations, I can change the player's mood option, and various other options are in here. You can also see there's a Ghost Rider mode. If I toggle the Ghost Rider mode, a Ghost Rider mode aura will appear in front of my eyes, so on and so forth. There are also various cheat options in here, like invincibility, invisibility, no ragdoll, and unlimited special ability. I can also use super run and super jump using this mode. Also, there are various vehicle options, like I can change various assets of the vehicle. If I want, I can also spawn various types of vehicle. By spawning them, I can just go into them and drive them as I wish. I can also use the teleport option to teleport a few distance forward or to any designated waypoint that I want to go to. There are also various weapon options. It can give me all the weapons in the game, give me all the ammos in the game, infinite parachute, infinite ammo, and various of the weapon mod options. I can also change the weather and time from here to whatever weather I want. And the time can be also set to whatever I would like. And the most fun options are in the mix options menu, where you can see that various types of fun options can be seen, which can be toggled on, and they have very funny effects. Like I can turn on the meteor shower mode, which will spawn huge meteors. Also, I can just turn on the massacre mode, so everything in front of me will be killed. So these are the few options that you can use using the menyoo 2.0 mod to have the maximum fun out of your GTA 5 game and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.